Om Namo Venkateshaya. Hi students, this is Jyoti. Today we should learn about what is herbarium, importance of herbarium and preparation of herbarium. Objectives of herbarium: to study about various plants, to inform the students and public about these plants, to maintain and preserve the plants on the edge of extinction, to inform about the effect of global warming on ecological system. At the end of the class, you can learn about the definition of herbarium, importance of herbarium and preparation of herbarium. Preparation of herbarium involves tools and equipment used in plant collection and the steps involved in herbarium. Introduction to herbarium. Herbarium is a collection of pressed, dried plant specimens mounted on specified sheets, identified and arranged in the order of an approved and well-known system of classification. So in our country, we are following Bentham and Hooker system of classification for plants identification and classification. So these specimens may be whole plants or plant pods, and these will usually be in a dried form, mounted on a sheet. It is based on a scientific collection in continuous expansion of plant specimens, which are carefully dried and labeled for its permanent use. Importance of herbarium. A herbarium serves as a safe place for storing preserved plant materials collected from different parts of the world. They provide at one place basic material for study of flora and vegetation of different places or regions. The specimens in the herbarium carry valuable data on their labels. So these include data on habitat, habit, scientific names, local names, data of collection, color of flowers and associated plants, etc. Monographs of genera or families are prepared by studying the herbarium specimens. A scientific study of a particular taxonomic group is called as monograph. Monograph includes distribution, morphology, phenology, and ethnobotany. List of endangered specimens of any region can be prepared by verifying herbarium specimens. An endangered species is a species that is very likely to become extinct in the near future, either worldwide or in a particular region. Herbaria preserve the national plant wealth and provide information to the public regarding the plants. Big herbaria provide training facilities to young students in herbarium practices. Next, preparation of herbarium. The preparation and preservation of herbarium specimen involves the following steps. First one is tools and equipment. So tools and equipment involved in plant collection. So first one is A. Field press. So it is made up of a pair of hardwood or metal frames of 12 by 18 inches. B. Blotting papers or old newspapers which are used for pressing twigs or plant materials. C. Field notebook. It is a small bound notebook with ruled pages. It is used to record the data such as date of collection, locality, habitat, habit, botanical name of a plant, local name of a plant, elevation and name of collector, etc. The data is recorded in the field notebook in the field itself. Habitat means the plant in which the environment survives is called as habitat. So based on habitat, plants are classified as mesophytes, hydrophytes, xerophytes, halophytes, etc. Habit. So based on habit, plants are classified into trees, shrubs, shapes, etc. Next, botanical name of a plant, scientific name of a plant, and local name of a plant, elevation, altitude, and name of collector who collect the plants in field. So the data is recorded in the field notebook in the field itself. Next, D. Vasculum. It is a container made up of tin or aluminum sheet and containing a hinged light lid. Plants which are not pressed in the field are placed in the vasculum to preserve their freshness for some time. E. Hand lens. A pocket hand lens is used in field for observation and identification of smaller plants. F. A small digger and sickle also used to digging roots and to cut twigs from trees and shrubs. Last one is G. Camera and altimeter are optional. So these are the tools for plant collection. So A. Cutlass. So these are different types of cutlers. B. Digger. C. Vasculum. D. Plant press. So E is herbarium sheet. Next, how to make a herbarium? Preparation of herbarium involves a series of techniques. So these are first one is collection of plants, second one is pressing and drying, third one is mounting, fourth one is labeling. So these are the four important techniques involved in preparation of herbarium. First one is collection of plants. So first we choose good representatives of the plant species. So be careful that these plants must contain root, stem, flower and fruit. Take notes and photos at the time of collection. Note the date, habitat, habit, location, collection, number and species characters. Next one is pressing and drying. After collection of plants, plants must be cleaned before pressing. Place your plants between folded out newspapers or blotting papers. Arrange the plant carefully, trying to avoid overlapping. So finally, place the plants in your press and tighten them. For the first 2 to 4 days, you will need to check daily and change the newspapers and retighten the press. So these are the important steps involved in pressing and drying. Next, third one is mounting. So the process of attaching dried and pressed plant specimen on herbarium sheet is known as mounting. The dried specimens are glued on herbarium sheets with the help of cellophane tapes. The standard size of herbarium sheet is 29 into 41 centimeters. So in mounting, it is advisable to mount one specimen on each herbarium sheet. So dissected and loose parts are kept in paper packets and pasted to the mounted sheet. So after mounting, all the mounted specimens are sprayed with fungicide like 1.1% solution of mercury chloride. To protect these dried specimens from the attack of insects, Pesticides such as naphthalene and carbon disulfide can be used. So this is mounting of plant on a herbarium sheet. Last one is labeling. So this is a herbarium sheet. So it contains labeling at the right side corner of the sheet. So labeling includes name of the organization, name of the plant, name of the family, local name, locality of collection, date of collection, habitat of the plant, habit of the plant, field notes number, name of the collector. For example, name of the organization, SV University, name of the plant, Mangifera indica, name of the family, Anacardiaceae, local name in Telugu, it is called as Mamidi Chettu, locality of collection, Tirupati, date of collection, September 2020, habitat of the plant, Mesophyte, habit of the plant, tree, field notes number and name of the collector. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.